Here we are again. 6 o'clock, Tuesday, May 29th. Thunderstorms are starting up. Rain's coming down. Oops, that poor old bumblebee. I hope he finds his way. I don't even know if I have him in the camera here. Looks like I may. He fell down in the rain. Let me shut the door so I can get him out of the rain. As few pollinators as we have here, can't afford to lose this. Except it could be a wasp. I'm probably saving a wasp and not a bumblebee. It looks like a bumblebee. Except the poor old thing is so cold. Is he a bumblebee? Well, I don't know what he is now. I'm going to stick him over here where it's dry. And hopefully I don't get stung for my efforts. Okay, just wanted to show you what's starting up tonight. Non-stop. We didn't get any rain to speak of in February and March. Most of April. All of it's coming down in May. Don't understand why, it just is. What's this going to do to the Oroville Reservoir when the water makes its way down there? I don't know about that either. But have a good night, everybody. Bye-bye.